Let's fill out the Kentucky Dirt Bike Bill of Sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties. And it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Today we're walking you through what Kentucky requires for a dirt bike bill of sale. So let's get into it. First up, the bill of sale itself. It needs to be on law enforcement's letterhead, so keep that in mind before you start filling anything out. Now for the title transfer. Kentucky uses Form TC 96-182, and that document needs to be signed by both the lien holder and the vehicle owner. As the seller, only your signature is required on the title itself. And importantly, only the seller can disclose the mileage when updating the title. So make sure you include that odometer reading accurately. The seller will also need to include who the vehicle is being transferred to. That's the buyer's information right there on the title. If there's a lien on the bike, don't worry. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.